Natural gravity, combined with body weight, physical exertion, poor posture, a sedentary lifestyle, advancing age, and occupational imbalances, leads to changes in the spine and distortion of the skeleton. It is estimated that up to 80% of all health problems are reflected in alterations of skeletal geometry. The relationship between the skeleton, the spine, and the spinal cord is fundamentally important for the optimal functioning of the nervous system and for transmitting nerve impulses and brain commands to the body's organs and systems. When this signaling network is disrupted, natural processes are blocked and the organs cannot work optimally. For joint pain, heel and foot pain, flat feet, deformities, tension, pain in the lower back, shoulders, and neck, sciatica, osteochondrosis, disc protrusions, scoliosis or spinal curvature, skeletal changes, stagnant vital energy, swelling, and inflammation. The solution is here. Dr. Nature Total Health Corrective Orthopedic Insoles, produced from a high-tech nanoporous material and designed with the anatomical specifics of the foot in mind. They effectively redistribute body weight through 20,000 correction points, reinforce proper foot geometry, improve posture, and support the joints, the spine, and the skeletal structure. They act on the reflex zones of the feet and help balance the body's functions, assist with pain and discomfort, relax the muscles, improve circulation, and stimulate the nervous, circulatory, lymphatic, and excretory systems, restoring vital energy. Dr. Nature Total Health Corrective Orthopedic Insoles give the feet their proper shape, normalize problems caused by bone misalignment, maintain the body's physical and energetic balance, improve gait, and support correct movement, thereby improving overall well-being. They help eliminate discomfort caused by posture and movement. Dr. Nature Total